Hey guys, welcome back to Coaster Brothers. Here's Matthew back here.
What's up?
And right now we are on our way to Knott's Berry Farm. We're walking from the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel back there. And this is our second day here. I didn't film the first day. But yeah, this is our second day here at Knott's Berry Farm. And from my first day, I can tell you that Ghost Rider right here is the best coaster here because it is a GCI. It was originally manufactured by CCI, but then it got redone by GCI. And while I didn't ride the CCI version, I can tell you the GCI version is definitely a lot better. So we will see you guys in the park. So we are currently in Knott's Berry Farm. Here's Matthew. And we're on our way to ride Ghost Rider. There it is. So yeah, we're going to be riding Ghost Rider first because, you know, it's the best coaster here. So we're heading on over to the fast lane entrance. So we'll see you guys off of Ghost Rider and enjoy some of my off-ride footage that I took yesterday. Hey guys, so me and Matthew are about to get on Pony Express, which is right over here. So we'll see you guys off. Hey guys, so I just got off the Pony Express roller coaster. It wasn't that great. I mean, it is just a family coaster, and it is really short. So I prefer to go on different rides. I think that's a one and done. It's not like rough or anything like that, but really short and it's not that intense.
Now it's time to walk this way.
Hey, how you doing?
Yellow gates are open. Welcome aboard Sierra Sidewinder. Please take the 4 seats to your right-hand side and remove all loose articles, such as pads, glasses, bags, and cell phones. You may place them in a cubby available across the dock or leave them with a non-riding member of your party. Once you are seated, an attendant is coming to visually check your seat and physically check your lap bar. Please do not extend your arms and legs out in front of you. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please put away your cell phone while the ride is in motion. Thank you, and enjoy your ride.
split. And number 6 wins out. But they're back to the list. Responsible for the shot. By the hearing aids. Only pass on the winner.
Thanks, Nick. Now up in the sky cab in the traffic. Let's check in with Carl Poole. Carl, how's it looking?
Not great, Shelley. It seems Lefty Stump has driven off the road near 3 corners.
Oh, Carl, don't you need 4 corners?
Not anymore.
Go check it out. That's your day out radio traffic.
Hey guys, so I just got off Hangtime, which is a Xcelerator infinity coaster. Here it is, right behind me. And I really like this coaster. I prefer it over TMNT shoulders because I really don't like the Xcelerator over the shoulder restraints. But this one has lap bars, which is what I really like. And not only are there a bunch of hang time moments on this, but there's also a bunch of airtime moments. First off, leaving that first drop, if you're in the back row, you're gonna get whipped out of your seat. And this section right here, that section right there, you get whipped out of your seat if you're in the back. Like, it's an insane pop-up ejector. Kind of close to Pantheon's pop-up ejector on the speed hill near the launch, except this one isn't as intense as that. Not as intense ejector, but it definitely is ejector. And then you get a little pop of airtime over this section right here. You get airtime there. Sorry, it's not focusing. My camera's kind of weird right now. And speaking of, it's about to go down. Anyway, guys, I really like this coaster. It's definitely not the best in the park. We all know Ghost Rider's the best. And unfortunately, I can't get on Xcelerator, which is an Intamin accelerator coaster, because it's going through extensive maintenance, according to a ride operator. I asked him, because I was here yesterday also, so I asked him if Xcelerator was going to be open. It's going to be open today. And he said no, because I assumed when it was closed yesterday, I assumed, well, it's an Intamin accelerator. I'm not surprised it's down. But apparently it's going through extensive maintenance. When I went on this observation tower thing right there, as well as the Supreme Scream drop tower, I could see that there's only one train back there and some unfinished trains, but they weren't doing any work. So I don't know, maybe they're getting new trains, an upgrade or something like that. I'm not completely sure, but here it is. It's unfortunate because I was really excited to get on Xcelerator, like really excited, but I couldn't get on it, so yeah. And I'm leaving today. Well, I'm leaving tomorrow, but this is my final day here, so I won't be able to get the credit. And in fact, I'm missing out on a lot of credits. The Kiddie coaster is closed, Xcelerator's closed, Montezuma's Revenge is closed, and Jaguar is closed. So I'm missing out on 4 coaster credits. So let's actually investigate this, guys. So of course, we have the entrance to Xcelerator right here. And then of course, if we come up here, you can see we have the entrance to Xcelerator, regular entrance and fast lane. And then as you can see, we apologize for the inconvenience. This attraction is unavailable today. And I heard it's been closed the whole week. And the operator says he doesn't know for sure, but he thinks it's gonna be closed for the rest of the month. And I hope Xcelerator isn't experiencing what happened to Top Thrill Dragster, because that would suck. If Top Thrill Dragster closes, I hope Xcelerator doesn't close also. I mean, these Intamin accelerators are super hard to maintain, and they go down almost half the day, which is so unfortunate. Let's go check the other side of it and see what else we can find. And don't worry, when we go on the observation tower again today, I will be showing you some views of the area to see what we can see. But hopefully this isn't the start to Xcelerator being closed for a month, then Xcelerator being closed for the rest of the season, and then closing forever, which would suck. I don't think that's what's going on, but this is more than it just being down. They are doing something. It recently got a new paint job, as you can see. I mean, I haven't been here when I didn't come before it got the new paint job, but I know it got the new paint job like a month ago, and it was operating with it, so I know they can't be doing something else with it. And it made no sense that they would just close it again. So maybe something happened. I don't know. If you guys know what happened, definitely let me know in the comments. But I looked everywhere online and I can't find anything about this. As you can see, here's the launch area. It's the whole launch area for Xcelerator. And then if we look in there, there's no train in the station. And it's just empty here, guys. Like, not even an employee in there doing anything. And from the views of the observation tower and up there on Supreme Scream, you can't see anyone doing anything. There's just an empty train on the brake run. I don't know if we can see it from here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see part of it. See those seats, guys? I'm not gonna get like any up close stuff, but this could be our first news update about this. Like, I don't know what's going on. I really don't, but I am a little upset because I'm not coming back here for a while. Probably the next time I come here is if that Giga Coaster happens. Because if you guys don't know, there are rumors going around that Knott's Berry Farm is getting a B&M Giga Coaster. And a B&M Giga would be perfect for Knott's Berry Farm. So if they do get that, that's probably the next time I'm coming back. Unfortunately, because I do live on the East Coast, so this is a major trip to do, flying 6.5 hours. Though this was definitely worth it because I'm going to Six Flags Magic Mountain tomorrow for 3 days, and then I went to SeaWorld San Diego on Sunday. But yeah, that's basically, like, I don't know anything about what's going on. I really don't know anything about this. Hey guys, so it is later on, and I just got off that Sky Tower ride again, and I got some footage of Accelerator for you, and some other footage. And from what we saw in the Sky Tower, we can see that they're not doing anything in that area. So I'm actually a little confused. Maybe they're closing it because of what happened with Topville Dragster. But then again, it was open all of last year and part of this year, so that wouldn't make sense. I don't know, guys. I think they may be slowly closing all the Intamin Accelerator roller coasters because the hydraulic launch system is extremely complicated and hard to maintain, unfortunately. And they are the most forceful launch systems ever. Like LSMs, they can be forceful, but not usually forceful. Like Premier Ride's LSMs aren't too forceful. Intamin LSMs, I mean, so they're sort of forceful. If you go into the LSM at like 20 or 30 miles per hour, they will be forceful. But from a dead stop, they're not. Only the hydraulic launches are. And those, the SNS air compressed launches. Though I think only Max Force has that. I don't know, though. So, I mean, I don't know. I'm missing out on 4 different credits, unfortunately. Like, I really wanted to get on Accelerator. I really wanted to get on Montezuma's Revenge. And I didn't really want to get on Jaguar, but it's a credit I'm missing out on. And the kiddie coaster's closed. So that all sucks. So, I guess we'll see you guys later on in the day. I think we're about to do Silver Bullet, which is what I want to do right now. So, we'll see you guys over there. Guys, so we're heading on over to Silver Bullet. It was down basically the entire day. It was open for the first hour of the day, but then it was closed for literally half the day. And it's like 6 o'clock now, and it's just reopening. Park's open till 10, so we have 4 more hours. And yeah, we're heading on over to Silver Bullet. Obviously, being Cedar Fair, we can't get any on-ride footage for you guys. But, I don't know. So, but I'm sure I'll get some great off-ride footage to show you guys. while we're on the ride. So, we'll see you guys over at Silver Bullet. Guys, me and Matthew are about to get on Silver Bullet, which is a B&M invert, and I really like it. I never really get headbanging on it. I've been on it 3 times now. This is my 4th. Yeah, I never get headbanging on this thing, which is why I like it. Guys, so me and Matthew are about to get on Silver Bullet. Here it is. But we can't bring you guys on, so we'll see you guys off. But until then, enjoy some off-ride footage of Silver Bullet. So me and Matthew just got off Silver Bullet. We actually went on twice. This is us getting off our second time. And we did once in the front and once in the back. The front is more graceful, but the back gives an insanely intense experience, especially that final helix before the final brake run. I really like this coaster. And how did you like it, Matthew? What was your favorite element?
The loops and stuff?
Which loop?
Like the upside down?
Which element, Matthew?
I don't know.
My favorite element is the first loop, because if you're in the back row, you slow down halfway up, and then you get like whipped through it. So I really like it. So it's around 7 o'clock now. We have about 3 hours left in the park before the park closes at 10. Oh yeah. And I think next we're gonna do some flat rides, and then we're gonna go on Ghost Rider, which is gonna be awesome. So we'll see you guys later on.
You messed up and you're gonna learn.
What's boardwalk?
Hey guys, so it's 7:30 and we're about to go have some dinner. That'll probably take a half hour or maybe a little more. And where are we going, Matthew?
Restaurant.
Yeah, but what restaurant?
A bistro or something?
Yeah, we forget what it's called. But we'll show you once we get there. I think it's like a barbecue place, right, Matthew?
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm glad we're finally gonna have something other than burgers and pizza, because that's all we've been having, unfortunately. So finally we get to have something that's not that. So we'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so we just finished dinner. We got it from like a barbecue place. They didn't have much, so I just got a hot dog. What did you get, Matthew?
Hot dogs.
Yeah. Oh, and here's Ghost Rider up here. Ghost Rider's up here, as you can see. And we're not going on that quite yet. We've already set up our final rides list. We're gonna head on over to Hangtime, do that a couple times. Unfortunately, we can't do Accelerator. I already explained that to you earlier. And then, we're gonna do the Supreme Scream Drop Tower a couple of times. That never has a long wait for Fastlane. And then we're gonna do Silver Bullet, and then end the night, of course, with Ghost Rider as many times as we can. So, we'll see you guys over at Hangtime to take a look at the awesome lighting package it has. So see you there. So we're walking into this area, guys, and here is the amazing lighting package on Hangtime. Just take a look at this, guys. They did this perfectly. Just take a look at what Xcelerator did. Just take a look at all these lights. It's so cool. And it's really cool because to give riders the night ride experience, when the coaster crests the lift hill, all the lights turn off, giving riders the full night ride experience. But then off-ride, you get a view of these great lights, which is awesome. So yeah, we don't have time to go on again, but we are gonna go on the drop tower, and then Ghost Rider. Well, just seriously, just take a look at like the interaction these lights have. It's so awesome. So honestly, I really like these lights that they have at Hangtime. Also, I just found out it is down, so we wouldn't have been able to go on it anyway. But we're gonna head over to the drop tower. It's so upsetting that it's down. So, and I wasn't gonna ride it, but that's kind of a coincidence. Even if I wanted to ride it, I couldn't. So we are headed over to the drop tower, Supreme Scream. It's an SNS drop tower. It boosts you up, so you get up there in like 10 seconds, and then it feels like it powers you down, like pulls you down in the launch. I mean, not the launch, but it feels like it pulls you down, if you know what I mean. Oh, Hangtime is back up, I think. Nope, it's just testing, guys. But yeah, it feels like rather than just a free fall, it feels like it launches you down. But yeah, so it feels like it launches you down rather than just like having you free fall, which is really cool. And then I always leave my restraint a little loose so I can get a pop of like airtime on the way down. It's awesome. So I really like that ride. It is just a flat ride, but drop towers are my favorite flat rides. And if you didn't hear already, there was an accident on my favorite drop tower at Icon Park, unfortunately. It's really sad, but I'm not gonna get into that because that makes people depressed sometimes. So, we'll see you guys later on in the night. Alright, never mind guys. Hangtime is back up. There it is. First people after the 2 test runs. There it is. See what I mean, guys? They turn off the lights to give the night ride experience. So we're gonna go on Hangtime actually, and then we're gonna go on Supreme Scream.
Welcome to the Supreme Screen. While riding, please remain seated, keeping your head back against the headrest at all times. Thank you, and enjoy your ride. Your ride aboard the Supreme Screen is now over. Please remain seated until the platform comes to a complete stop, and then follow the arrows to the exit. Thank you for riding, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Hey guys, so I just got off the Supreme Scream. It was pretty fun. I really like drop towers. It may not be a roller coaster, but it's still pretty fun. So we're now gonna go head on over to either Silver Bullet or Ghost Rider. Guys, so me and Matthew just got off Silver Bullet. Again, a great ride. Some parts are pretty rough, but they don't bother me too much, at least on this coaster. And we have 15 minutes left until the park closes, so we're headed over to Ghost Rider to get a night ride on that. I've only gotten 2 rides on Ghost Rider today. 1 or 2, I don't know, but yeah, so that's basically what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, the park is dead now. There's like no one here. Silver Bullet is a walk-on. Somehow, Ghost Rider's still a 2-hour wait. So I can see the GP have caught on that it's the best coaster here. But yeah, hang time, 5-minute wait. Yeah, so there's the entrance. And yeah, it's a station wait. Some rows aren't even filled. Like some rows have no people in them. I was actually surprised that the park was so packed today because it is a Tuesday and California spring break was last week. So I don't know, guys. I overheard a lot of people saying, "Thank you, Mom and Dad, for letting me skip school." I don't know, guys. But we'll see you guys over at Ghost Rider. should be fun. So your friends come? Really good? Guys, so I just got off Ghost Rider for 2 times. It was pretty good. I got both back row. In fact, we just made it on for the second time. We got on like 9:50, and it was like 10 o'clock right when we got out, and we were able to get back in line right in time, and we were able to get a second ride, which is pretty awesome. And both rides were great. Matthew, out of 10, what would you rate Ghost Rider?
10.
Really?
No.
Yeah. But do you find any flaws with this? Like, are there any flaws?
No, not really. No, I can't think of any.
Matthew, is this one of your favorite wooden coasters?
This is one of my favorite GCIs.
Yeah, same. So it was originally manufactured by CCI, but then GCI came in, redid it, and now it's awesome. I didn't ride it for the CCI version, but I mean, I can't say anything about it, but I've heard people saying that it is better now after it got GCI'd. So that's pretty great. It's still going because the line was like 2 hours. So this is going to be running all the way through midnight. It's insane, but... Okay, so now we're leaving the park. We had a great day. Did you have fun, Dad?
Excellent day.
Yeah. What's your favorite coaster here?
Ghost Rider is my favorite.
Yeah. We didn't get to go on Accelerator, unfortunately, along with Montezuma's Revenge and a lot of other coasters. So we won't be seeing a ranking video for all coasters at Knott's Berry Farm on this channel quite yet. I was really excited to do another ranking video, but almost every park I go to, I can't get on every coaster. Meaning I can't do a ranking video, unfortunately. So we're leaving the park now. It's like 10:20, I think. I'm not sure, but we had a great day. So final analysis of the rides we did. I got 4 rides on Ghost Rider. I got 3 rides on, 4 rides in Ghost Rider, 3 rides on Silver Bullet, 2 rides on Hangtime, 8 rides on the Drop Tower. I think it's You have 8 rides on the drop tower. And what else? I got 1 ride on Pony Express, 1 ride on Sierra Sidewinder. And what else? And that's about it, guys. So we had pretty short day here, about 8 hours. But it felt short. I don't know why. But tomorrow we have Six Flags Magic Mountain, the first of 3 days at Six Flags Magic Mountain, and hopefully I'll be able to get on all 20 coasters to get 20 new credits. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications, and like the video. And I will see you guys on the thrill side of life.